I just want to come in here and say happy holidays to you guys. I can't believe it's already Christmas. The year's flying by. I created this channel 2019 November 1st, right around my birthday, and now it's been over a year since I've created the channel. And I had this idea of always wanting to create a channel. I would always look at all these other YouTube channels and think how cool it was and what they were doing. I was like, I wonder if I could do the same. And they always say, you know what, just work hard, put your mind to it, you can make anything happen. And I really believe that. Like right now, we're probably not the biggest channel. I mean, we're definitely not the biggest channel by any means. But I just want to say thank you for the support so far. Like just having the amount of viewers I have right now and the subscribers and everything, it's all because of you guys and all the comments. I read every single comment. I try to reply to every single comment as well. So keep it up and just thank you. And I also want to show you guys in 2021, I'm actually going to be coming out with a lot more content other than PowerPoint. So I'm actually going to be coming out with tutorials that cover Photoshop and then Illustrator, Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, maybe even using Canva. Any type of creative tool that allows you to create epic looking stuff, I'm probably going to try to attempt to make a tutorial on. Am I a pro in all those different tools? Definitely no. Like you could go to other channels and they're going to have a really great way on how to create epic looking stuff. But what I want to do is show you guys how you can create awesome looking stuff in the simplest form, because sometimes when I'm going on like a different channel where maybe they're like a pro at Adobe Premiere Pro and I'm trying to learn how to do something, sometimes they're going a little too fast and it doesn't make sense to my mind. So with that being said, I think it would be a great way to show you guys how to create awesome looking stuff from a beginner perspective. Now, some of these tools I have had a lot of experience in, so I'll still break them down in an easy way for you guys to understand. But whether you're a beginner or a pro, these videos are going to be really jam-packed with a lot of value. So I hope you guys do like that slight change that's going to be happening in the future of this channel. I'm also not going to forget about my favorite tool, PowerPoint, because let's face it, you can do pretty epic stuff in PowerPoint. I know it may not seem like the most attractive application to use, but you can still create a lot of really cool things. And whenever I'm getting frustrated with maybe a different tool, I'm like, why don't I just create this in PowerPoint? I can do this in 2 seconds. It's a lot easier to understand. The learning curve's not as high and you can get the same results. So it's a little bit of a workaround, but it works really good. I just want to share with you guys all those different ideas that are kind of going through my head as to what's next for the channel. But I also just want to hear from you guys what you guys want to see next. I know there's been a lot of requests on how I create my YouTube thumbnails, so that is coming up very soon. So please stay tuned. I know a lot of you guys have been asking that in almost every single video, and I'm really excited to release that video for you guys. Let me know in the comments kind of what you guys are looking for next and maybe what you would want to learn how to create, because I'm all about learning. If you guys have ways to teach me how to learn, I'm always open for that, and vice versa. So let's just do this together and grow together and just be an awesome community. 2021, I think it's going to be a good year. 2020, you know, it was rough, but it also gave a lot of different perspective for even myself and maybe you guys on maybe what you want to do with your lives. Just know that life is short. You never know when it will end. So make sure you do what you want to do and love what you do, because why not? I see all these like huge creators out there. They look like they're killing it, doing amazing. They always say, you know, just work hard, you'll get there. And I really do believe that. So with that being said, I hope you guys have a great rest of the year. I know there's only a couple days left, but make sure to rest up, spend time with family, and let's make 2021 an amazing year. Thanks.